All right, what's up guys? So what's going on right now is I got check engine lights. I have a lot of issues with this truck right now, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what we're gonna be doing right now. All right, so what we got here is DPF and muffler delete as well as cat delete. So we have all new plumbing and hardware. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get this completely out of this box, lay it out and see what we got so we can actually take off the old exhaust on this truck that's causing DPF issues and everything else. Don't want that. I just want to continue to keep doing exactly what I need to make sure this truck runs good whenever we're pulling that camper. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out of the box, go ahead and disassemble it and figure out what we have. All right guys, next day. Last night we couldn't finish out exactly what we needed to. We came out this morning, ended up having to get a new blade for the Sawzall because in order to do the exhaust for here, you have to take the old exhaust out. The downpipe will not come out unless you actually cut the downpipe down. So I had to cut the downpipe. If you look here, this is the new downpipe that we have coming from the turbo back. What I had to do is because it comes down this far right here, the older one that actually is in the truck comes all the way, it's pretty much this whole entire piece. So I had to end up cutting it across right here in order for me to actually put it back in the truck. So now that we have the old exhaust completely stripped out of the truck, we are going to go ahead and start installing the new exhaust in. Also, I forgot to mention whenever we started going through and doing the exhaust, I had to unplug all the different sensors across the exhaust, which is bank 1, bank 2, and the DPF heater. We went ahead and took all of that stuff out, and we're gonna have a new tuner go through, and we're gonna, since we deleted all of this stuff, completely clear everything out. So since we got everything cleared out and we don't have to do it, we have to make sure that we get all the sensors up underneath the vehicle tied up and zip tied out of the way. This way, whenever we actually go through and install the new exhaust, we don't burn them sensors and everything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and zip tie all the sensors out of the way, and then we'll get installing this. Alright, so what we're doing now is I left everything loose. I put the exhaust in, making sure that we don't tighten anything up. We have the turbo up here. We made sure that the turbo has the band clamp on it and actually secure, so you don't want any leak between the turbo and the downpipe. So I got that tightened up first, and then as well making sure that we got the transmission hanger on the actual downpipe. And then now we're going to go through and actually tighten up all these bolts that are going down, making sure that we secure the exhaust in. So let's go ahead and knock that out, and then we'll continue on.
I wasn't able to go ahead and do an outro on here, but we're finished up with the exhaust. Everything's put back in, so really appreciate the help. Like and subscribe if you want more content. Tell us what you want in the comments below. Thanks. Have a great day.